Today we're going to be showing you how to install a deadbolt in a door that is in need. There's no holes, so this is the tools that you will need. You can pick these up in any local hardware store. Of course, you'll need a drill, the bore heads that come with the spacer. Attaches to the door. Make sure that in the upward position. There's 2 screws to hold everything in place. Screwing this in, what this does is ensure that your hold will stay secure as you are drilling to create new holes for your deadbolt. First, attach the larger bore to the drill and make sure as you are drilling through, the other side does not get completely open. If you drill all the way through, you will destroy and splinter the inside of your door. So make sure all that pokes out is a little drill bit. Switch sides. Finish with a clean hole and not a destroyed door. Next, switch out bore bits to the smaller. You've now created the door holes to attach the new deadbolt. Now again, this set does come complete with holder and necessary bore bits. Finished product, clean holes and no splintering.